Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to send cash on Cash App. Cash App is a simple and convenient way to send money to friends, family, or anyone with a Cash App account. To get started, make sure you have downloaded the Cash App and created an account. Once you've set up your account, you will need to link a bank account or debit card to add funds to your Cash App balance. After you've added funds, open the Cash App on your phone. On the home screen, you'll see a large $sign in the middle. This is where you can enter the amount of money you want to send. Tap on the number pad and type in the amount. Once you've entered the amount, tap the green Pay button. This will take you to a new screen where you can enter the recipient's details. Cash App allows you to send money to someone using their cash tag, phone number, or email address. In the To field, type in the recipient's cash tag, phone number, or email address. If you're unsure of their cash tag, you can ask them to share it with you. Their cash tag will usually start with a $sign, followed by their unique username. After entering the recipient's details, you have the option to add a note. For example, you can write lunch money or thanks for helping me. This step is optional, but can help both you and the recipient keep track of the transaction. When you're ready, tap the green Pay button again. If you have enabled security features like Face ID or a PIN, Cash App will ask for verification before completing the transaction. Once verified, the payment will be sent instantly and you'll see a confirmation on your screen. If the recipient also has Cash App, they will receive the money directly into their account. If they don't have Cash App yet, they will get a notification to sign up and claim the funds. It's also important to note that you can receive money on Cash App in a similar way. When someone sends you money, it will appear in your Cash App balance, and you can choose to keep it in your account or transfer it to your linked bank account. That's it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.